Hey everyone, my name is Amanda and I run the blog Faith and Home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite homemaking tricks to help keep you efficient at homemaking, maximize all your energy that you're already putting into chores. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, you find it useful and helpful, and let's hop in. Alright, you guys, my all-time #1 tip for being an efficient homemaker is learning how to maximize your movement or maximize your energy you're putting into something in everything you do in your home. So there's so many ways that you can apply this tip, and I'm going to take you through some major ones that are going to save you so much time without you having to put any more energy really into homemaking or really that much thought even. Once you make these habits, you're not going to have to put more thought into it. It's just going to be, a habit. You're going to do it like on robot mode, not even thinking about it. And it's going to be great. It's going to help you keep your home clean longer and have everything run more smoothly and everything be more efficient. One of the biggest ways that you can apply this tip to your everyday life and make your home stay clean longer is every time you walk out of a room into another room, take something in that room with you that needs to be put away. Clutter builds up, especially when you have toddlers or when you get mail or when you're just a living human being. Like, things get misplaced, thrown about the house, and need to be picked up and put away. So you're already going out of that room, you're leaving it. Scan the room, see if anything needs to be picked up. Never leave a room with empty hands. That's a good rule. Fill up your hands. There's most likely something that needs to go. Maybe something that needs to be decluttered even, or something that needs to be like put in the laundry, or any of the things above, something on the floor that needs to go in the trash, something that needs to go in a different room altogether. Pick it up every time you leave a room. Make that a habit, and you aren't going to have clutter build up in your house. It's not going to be overwhelming, and you're not going to have to dedicate hours or an hour or 20 minutes or whatever dedicated just to putting clutter away, because it's going to be something that you just do throughout the day while you're going about your house. It's going to save you so much time and maximize that energy that you're already using because you're already walking throughout your house all day, every day. All right, another easy way for you to do this is seeing if when you're doing chores, there's another easy way that your chore can tie into another task that needs to be done around the house. For example, on Tuesdays, I do my floors and I mop. So on that day, I have reusable mop cloths, and so I just get a bucket, make my own cleaning solution, put the cloths in there. The solution and cloths are already being used. So once I've dirtied up one side of the cloth from mopping, I fold it over, use that clean side, and I will wipe off any of the baseboards around the house that need it, like where I'm near already. I don't go everywhere around the house, but wherever I'm near, I see if the baseboards need to be wiped off, or if the walls maybe have some dirt from the dogs or my toddler, or who knows, even food because I have a toddler. So I've already put the effort into making the cleaning solution, getting those rags wet. They're already going to have to be thrown in the laundry. So if I can use the backside of the rag in the area that I'm in to do a quick clean of something, it's not going to take up hardly any more time. It would be so much more time consuming to have a whole nother day where I have to have clean rags again. So clean all those rags, make the solution all over again, and dedicate just to doing walls and the baseboards. That's way more time consuming. So if I can do 2-in-1, knock out both things with one set of rags, one set of mopping solution, one load of laundry, that is a winner. So think about the chores that you do around your house and the supplies that you have, and maybe if you can combine some of those things and knock out some of the time that it would take if you did them separately. Another great example of this is cleaning the kitchen as you go while you're cooking. So yes, you could cook all your food and then do a big cleanup after. And maybe if you have tons of kids, it won't even take that long because your kids are going to help you. But I would highly, highly suggest cleaning as you go while you're cooking. Oftentimes, meals have a little bit of leeway where something needs to be on the stove for 3 or 4 minutes before it gets flipped or stirred or something like that. So if you have a meal where you have the capacity to be away from the stove for a couple of minutes, use that time to either empty your dishwasher, start rinsing things off and loading it, or wiping off counters or doing a little bit of tidying to make the mess a lot easier once you're done. Because I don't know about you, but for me, once I've eaten dinner, I feel like I'm done with the night. Like, that's the end of my work day. Obviously, it's not. I still have to tuck in kids, get them cleaned up, that kind of thing. But mentally, I just want to relax more so after that. And so the less cleaning that I have after dinner, the better. I like to really just have a few things to do after dinner. Sometimes it doesn't always work out that way, but when you can, maximize the time that you're already spending cooking dinner by also doing cleanup duty. And you can have your kids help in and jump in with that as well. Okay, I feel like the list for this could go on, but I'm gonna share one more example, and then I'll put several more examples in the comments as I brainstorm more and just think of some. And I wanna see what you guys do also in the comments to maximize time, because I'm sure some of you guys definitely already utilize this tip, at least in some areas of your life. So I would love to know what you do so we can all learn from each other and have a wealth bank of knowledge in the comments. But the last tip that I'm going to share is when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I use that time to give my son a bath. So this is kind of a twofer tip because it gets him cleaned up and it also occupies him while I'm cleaning the bathroom, so I don't have to worry about him being entertained. So he gets clean and I get to clean the bathroom, and it's great. It saves me time of having to give him a bath separately later. And it also makes cleaning the bathroom quicker because he is totally entertained and happy. So that is a great one for you parents of toddlers who, you know, your kid can like walk and you're comfortable with them sitting in the bath with you being in the bathroom, but not like you're like watching them like a hawk like you would be with a younger baby. But yeah, those are my tips. Like I said, I'm going to share more in the comments because I could go on and on and on. Once you start thinking about these things, you're going to realize the things that you could do, or you're going to realize that there's some things that you already do, but you're going to realize different areas of your life where you could be more efficient by just implementing multitasking, basically, essentially, maximizing your movement. And once you get used to doing them, they take no like extra mental brain power. It's really just you build the habit and then you just do it automatically, and it's going to save you so much time. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you found it useful or helpful or encouraging. Helps more people be able to see it so they can be encouraged as well. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more homemaking, mama, and Christian content. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.